All right, I feel like making some pumpkin bread. Just gonna make it easy and use this pumpkin spice bread from Krusty's. Nobody will know. Well, again, we're gonna use my favorite easy mixer by Acekool. I love this mixer so much. It's so affordable, so easy to clean, and so easy to use. It comes with the flat beater, the dough hook, and also the whisk, which I will be using now. All right, let's get this party started. Did I just say that? First, we're gonna add the pumpkin spice ingredients. So we start with the flour mixture. 2 eggs. No shells this time. Nice. 1/2 cup of water. 1/2 cup of oil. Can't forget the pecans, unless you're allergic to them. Okay, this is what we have. Okay, this is when this baby does all the work for you, and you can just do nothing. Okay, check out how easy this is. Drop it down, turn it on. Do a high whisk. Look how many levels there are. Perfect. Okay, I think we're done. Bam, pop it up. Marvelous. So now we just remove the whisk. Bam. Hey, shh. Don't tell my family I did that. Now we just remove the batter in the bowl. Super easy. All right, easy cleanup. Bye-bye. So this is all we really have to clean. Perfect. All we have to do is transfer it into a loaf pan. Okay, that's it. Let's pop it into the oven. Okay, it's ready. I'm so excited. Oh, this looks so good.